Hi, I am Murthy, a wildlife photographer, and in this video, I will be sharing with you some important tips on how to get closer to birds and capture the perfect frames. And I believe this will definitely will help you to enhance your photographic skills. So stay tuned till the end. Never wear bright color clothes. It distracts the bird. Always wear clothes with colors merged with the surroundings like earthen clothes. Cover up yourself as much as possible by wearing a full sleeves, full face mask and a cap. This also helps you from crawling insects which can distract you while taking the shots. Camouflage clothes are the best suitable for bird photography. Birds are very sensitive to noise. Always keep silent. Avoid clothes or any other items that make noise. This will distract the birds. If you are using a mirrorless camera, use silent mode. Never look directly towards the bird. As soon as you look directly towards the bird, it will fly away. Move very slowly and with minimum body movement. Move when the bird is not looking at you. Never move directly towards the bird. Shoot when you stop. This will also help you to have sharp images. Keep the camera always in position close to your body and avoid moving your camera too much. Every bird's behavior is different. Observe and capture the frames. In this way, you will get the best frames. Wait and wait. You need to have patience to wait and capture the perfect shot. These are some tips I follow, and if you have any tips, you can share by leaving a comment below.